How to uninstall WSL Distro in Windows 11. Don't let WSL distros disrupt your workflow or take up too much space. Here's a guide on how to uninstall WSL distros in Windows 11. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Why uninstall WSL Distro? With Windows Subsystem for Linux WSL distros, users can enjoy the best of both worlds by running Windows and Linux environments on the same Microsoft device. This dualistic use can be especially helpful when opening a Linux file or testing an application on a Linux environment. However, having one installed on your PC can also cause some issues, from occupying storage space to security risks from downloading unauthorized distros. Whichever the case, uninstalling it would be the most prudent course of action. But before doing so, make sure you have full administrative privileges, identify which WSL distros installed in your computer, and back up your WSL files. 4 methods to uninstall WSL distros. Let's begin with the coding methods, starting with command prompt. Run command prompt as administrator. Type WSL-list and press enter to get a full list of WSLs in your device. Find the distro you wish to uninstall, type WSL-unregister and press enter. The distro and its data will then be deleted automatically. Another method you can try is PowerShell. Run the program as administrator and type in this script with the distro's name shown on screen. For users with no coding experience or access to coding programs, you can try the Windows Settings method. Simply head to Settings, then Apps, and then Installed Apps. Find the distro and click Ellipsis menu and uninstall. And for our final method, you can work around with Group Policy. While this does not remove the WSL distro, you can still disable its use with GPO. Run Group Policy and navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Subsystem for Linux. Find and double-click on the Allow WSL policy and set it to Disabled and then OK. Uninstalling WSL distros from your computer ensures a more efficient storage usage and a device that's better protected from suspicious applications. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to uninstall WSL distro in Windows 11, linked in the description below.